Everybody here. Oba. Ilé-iṣẹ́ God platform nínú gbogbo àṣàyàn mi ilé-iṣẹ́ God platform àwọn náà ni mò ń forí ẹ̀ sọ wípé ẹ̀rí asọ̀rọ̀ṣẹ́ bí Elédùmarè ni wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní orúkọ Elédùmarè lónìí.
Good afternoon everywhere, all over the world, where they listen to me now. I'm sorry, this is your program, but I might be Mama Shugwe together. Mo fi àsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo everybody tó jáde láti celebrate Mumsimi Iya Rainbow, mother of all Nigerian artists. I'm so happy how my mom was received in Dubai. It was amazing. Mo dúpẹ́ àjọṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú Mama Rainbow production àti Pasuma Dare Melody, how they are very supportive. Mo dúpẹ́ wọ́n ṣe support wa, wọ́n support Mumsimi láti celebrate mama. I'm so happy. I know mi ò lè dúpẹ́ tán. Ṣáwọn Yorùbá forum ní Dubai ni, àwọn Igbo, Hausa ni, àtàwọn Arabo gan fúnra wọn. They came out to celebrate mama. I'm so happy. I'm blessed. It's amazing. I really love it. These people that just àwọn èèyàn bí tiwa náà ni ọkọ dẹ̀ wò pé Iya Rainbow kọ́ ló bí wọn pé kí ni káwọn ṣe, just spoke to me that let's celebrate this woman. Wọ́n ṣe ìgbà tó bá kú tán la ṣe máa celebrate ìyá ẹ̀ ó wà láyé ó dẹ̀ ń ṣe nǹkan ribiribiri gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí lórí. Let's do it. In fact, from here we're still going to go to London, Canada and America. Ìgbà tó ṣe wà láyé tó wà láyé, let's do something. I'm so happy. We are in Dubai now. We are happy. Everybody is happy. Almost 30 people in your 30. Ó tẹ̀lé màmá wa to celebrate mama in Dubai. I'm so happy. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, mi lè dúpẹ́ tán. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. ọkùnrin obìnrin tó tẹ̀lé màmá láti Nigeria àtàwọn tó wà níbẹ̀ tẹ celebrate mama. I'm so happy and ọlọ́run dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ iná lẹ̀ Nigeria generally I really appreciate you guys the way you are being supported. Mama Rainbow have been. You were saying who's Mama? We were saying thank you so much. Grew die-hard fans Mama Rainbow. I really love you guys. And you can follow me. Want to see more about me? Follow me on Instagram, Femi Phillips, and Femi Phillips, and Facebook. I'm there. I'm out there with you guys. If you want me to ask me 1 or 2 questions, I'm ready to tell you. And watch out for Mama Rainbow. She's coming fully now. She's going to come back to stage. What is she film the Mama Rainbow? That's fine. People have been asking me what Mama film. Fine. She's been busy, and if busy endorsement don't busy now. But she's back to stage fully now. We are cooking something and it's coming fully. It's gonna come, it's a lovely project. I'm pushing it at the moment and I like it. And I'm telling you, I'm using the medium to tell you guys that. I'm telling you, Mama Rainbow, she's still there, she's still fit. I'm telling you, I pray, as I'm talking to you now, I'm praying, I'm going to draft from me, Mama Rainbow, because she's too healthy, very strong, and amazing woman. She's just been nice. And better to Mataiwa, this is the kind of person who could be lomo, who could be your lomo. Naturally, I take a pay out to Mole. Mama, she's a nice person. Mama, she's a lovely person to be with. Very nice. Any problem? Could you believe it? I'm sorry to say this. I want to. You have to share poor. You have be hearing poor, but go easy. In Nigeria, she tell us she. Who the 2 job 3 on the phone if you have a jẹun. Come and just go there and dear ni loyinbo. Who the ticket go fellow wo. Just go fellow go bombe. Man, it's not easy. Yes. You have to share poor. Now in Nigeria and Africa, who to go to ni. Who do 3 on the phone there lo. Who the go share drug abuji ojale. Who share nepo. Who share don't tell no. What you're doing that? Je chata ino conclude your dear ton da. Ọmọ wa ko ri phone wo re hun díẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ kìíní ọ̀sẹ̀ kejì ó dẹ̀ kó pọ̀ ó dẹ̀ lọ ra ticket bẹ́ẹ̀ màmá tí wàá wò mí London tí ó ń ṣe mi jẹ mẹ́ta just to say how you doing she deserve all this what she ìsìnkú tó ti ṣe sílẹ̀ ni ẹlòmíràn ni pé wá ṣé gbogbo akọ́ló bí àwọn tó bí pọ̀ but I just stood by her because she's a lovely mother she has done a lot for me I can't even believe it she's there but I feel no surprise pé kò ní rí nǹkan báyìí tó ó máa pè ní ọmọ mi ni o ó yá ẹjọba ẹ bá mi ṣàánú ọmọ mi ọmọ ọlọ́mọ àti nílé wa ilé màmá àwọn tó ń gbé more than 20 people gbọ́ ọ̀dẹ̀ ju bí mẹ́rin lọ àwọn tó ń gbé more than 20 people and she's feeding everyone aká mi ò lè quantify mi ò tẹ̀lé sọ̀rọ̀ màmá Rainbow tán she's such a lovely woman mama she's I could imagine very strict she's a nurse she was a nurse she's a very strict person kò ń gba nonsense you see Duruga to you Femi gba mi lẹ́nu pé come on kí ló ń sọ lẹ́nu ṣe wà okay that is mama for you she's a very strict person and very straightforward very plain and mama Ọlọ́run kọ́ ló bá dá ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ sí long life and prosperity Rainbow I wish you long life kò mí kó dàgbà kó dọ́kájọ́ wà wá ti pé bí 1000 kó máa lọ that's what I want for my mom I love mama so much I love my mom so much so dearly to me. Everybody around me, they know I love Mama so much because do you get what I'm saying? She's not about Mama, she's my mother. A human being that's so nice like that. Let me ani yato ko fe ye o pe o fe ri na what there. But she's egbagbe Mama. Ani egbagbe pe iya yan. She's a lovely person. Do you get where I'm coming from? Naturally she's a nice, which means she's some olomo. As I'm talking to you right now, abro mi no wan bi, egbon mi no wan bi. But I want to media person. Emi ise te mi se ni. Emi at one and pop see me, but my dad is late, 36 years ago. But I'm the one and doing the business with her. I mean, I'm leader. I don't share and the banshee. You see, I'm always with her. That's why we do the business together. I want a bomb no. It's only share to one. I'm a bromi. Only share to one. Emi ni come on share pop see me. Those are the things. But about the production, but my mom appear in the film. More so in the film that version is my bromi, my red bomb, my family in the production. We're going to see for me. It's not like Emi come because Emi at on joint business there. Now when you smell up Femi no. I want bro me no. I want be. That's it.
Kábíyèsí.